We have got ourselves a shelf cloud. This is view from our downtown Roanoke Camera Center Square, and you are looking out to the northwest where we have a distinct shelf cloud here. We're watching this line of storms that is moving to the east. Look at that fine line there. That comes from that division, or rather the separation there of that warm, moist air kind of riding up along the cooler downdraft that is producing, you see all that heavy rain coming down inside the storm. So really neat feature there. We might be getting some heavy rain here in downtown Roanoke if this can hold together. That is the question here. These summer storms, they tend not to last too long, but we are going to watch for that as we could see more heavy rain. Now, looking at how much we saw in terms of rain today, it hasn't been a whole lot for some areas, but it's been a lot for others. So technically, Lynchburg only saw 0.06 inches of rain. Danville, not much of a difference there, but temperatures back in the 90s this afternoon. Tomorrow, we actually might be a little bit cooler because of the clouds and rain. We have our front that's off to the northwest. Now, this front is working with all this moisture and humidity. We've just been packing on that humidity, those winds out of the south. That's going to lead to those storm chances the rest of this evening and then again tomorrow. So we aren't done just yet, and some of these storms have packed a punch. So here are the storm reports showing you all the wind damage reports we've had in Southside. Earlier we had a couple severe thunderstorms moving there, and we have this line of storms here. We're going to have to watch to see if these may become a bit more intense. They've been producing a lot of lightning today and also some smaller hail with more severe weather to our northeast. Now, looking closely at this line of storms here, running here from Rockbridge County, so Lexington, Buena Vista, you're next in line, Buchanan and Troutville, all in the path of this line of storms, and then a little bit more of a sparse, kind of broken line here farther south towards Roanoke. So a closer view on some of these stronger storms here. We have this large cell that is producing some very heavy rain and lightning. Fincastle, you guys are definitely feeling that heavy rain right now, a little bit of that lightning. And Buchanan, you are up next, and a larger view of when we can expect these storms to move to the east. So Buena Vista probably within the next 10 minutes or so, but Bedford by 7:30. So they're moving east at about 30 miles per hour. We'll have to watch for that potential of severe weather. Could see some stronger winds as these lines of storms, as they kind of congeal and form together, that could lead to a wind damage or at least a higher wind risk with these storms. Elsewhere, we do have this other cell. It just passed through Floyd, town of Floyd. They're getting some heavy rain, some lightning. This is all on its own. That could become a stronger to even severe thunderstorm moving to the east here into Franklin County. Lots of action here on this Saturday. Now, the rest of the evening, a few more showers and storms lingering. That line of broken showers and storms may pass to the east, fall apart, and then we'll see some quieter weather overnight. It's tomorrow where we're going to be picking up things once again. We'll start out with some muggy weather with that stray shower off to the west. Rain chances will start to pick up as we head on into the afternoon. But because that front's going to be sinking to the south, not everyone's going to have a decent chance of rain. Better rain chances tomorrow will be found south of 460, closer to the counties that border North Carolina. So some more heavy rain, which also could lead to the threat of flooding. That is going to be the concern with a few more lingering showers into the evening hours. Heavy rain, again, flooding potential. So we have a higher risk of flooding along and south of 460 tomorrow, pretty much dividing our area in half, and could even pick up an additional couple inches of rain. So looking to be very wet again on Sunday. If you're to the north of 460, you may actually just be dry with temperatures in the 80s, and our forecast will end up being drier as we head on into next week. That cold front finally moves out and drier air moves in. So we're talking about 80s with lower humidity by Tuesday.
All right, so for tomorrow, it's just be very weather aware, and like you said, towards the south is kind of where people are going to be hit the hardest.
Yeah, these storms, a lot of moisture, so we have to watch for that threat of flooding, and it can happen really quickly. Pick up a couple of inches of rain in just an hour.
Yeah, definitely. It's something to be very cautious about. Thanks again.